Man, because I don't want to forget the snow. This is crazy.
So much snow.
So much snow.
Oh my gosh.
So much snow.
Oh my gosh. No, this
Valentine's Day 2021. This is the most snow I've ever seen in DFW. It won't stick is the problem. It just turns into dust.
No, this is a.
Oh, you can try. But I think Jay's actually going to win out. But a couple hours earlier, you would have won out, Scar. It's getting so cold. Did you stop there?
I literally saw it as I was sliding in. Okay. Don't fall in.
I just broke through.
Yeah, don't do that.
I can break through. Dang. Let's get a whiteout going. Chuck it to the middle. That was
I need to find
an awesome throw.
Let's go!
Dang. All right, guys, we better head back. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodbye, Scar.